Hello loves, I'm Sarah LouWho, and today we're talking all about Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Lip Pop and Blueberry Bounce Lip Pop. As we all know, Glow Recipe makes amazing skincare, so it only makes sense that they would make great lip care too. Let's get into what makes this so special. Lip Pop's a 3-in-1, meaning it has everything that your lips need. An exfoliating scrub, a moisturizing balm, and a lip tint, all in one cute little package. It's formulated with coconut sugar, which is a humectant, so it's going to preserve moisture and act as a gentle exfoliator that dissolves on your lips as you pop them together. This is my favorite part of a lip pop because I can exfoliate my lips anywhere on the go without having to worry about rinsing or wiping it off. And the second exfoliator that Lip Pop is formulated with are hibiscus AHAs. These are going to help smooth dry flakes, and I can't even tell you how much this has saved my lips when they're super chapped. For lasting hydration, Lip Pop is also infused with fruit extract. Watermelon Lip Pop has hydrating watermelon extract, just like the rest of Glow Recipe's Watermelon Glow line, and the Blueberry Lip Pop is infused with berry extract. Because they both smooth and hydrate, they work great to prep lips before applying lipstick. And finally, the most fun part of Lip Pop, the tint. Just a quick swipe of the Watermelon Lip Pop leaves a light poppy pink tint to the lips that adjusts to your pH for a one-of-a-kind flattering shade. And a swipe of the Blueberry Lip Pop leaves you with this subtle pop of cool tone berry on the lips. The tint sets into a long-lasting lip stain that you can build up with each application. And because they're so lightweight and absorb into the lips, they add the perfect pop of color without getting all over my mask. If you're looking for a new lip scrub, balm, tint, or all three, you can find Glow Recipes Lip Pop at Sephora.